Hello students, in this video we will discuss about mean of random variables. What is the mean of random variables? We will try here mean of random variables. Let x be random variables that is x1, x2, xn and p1, p2, pn are the corresponding probability of random variables then mean of random variables is denoted by mu, and this will be equal to summation I equal to 1 to n xi into pi, where I equal to 1 to up to n. Now here this is very simple. We try to understand here. Suppose x is the random variables x1, x2, x3 and xn. Its corresponding probability p of x is p1, p2, p3, pn. Now p x into p of x is denoted by x1 into p1, x2 into p2, x3 into p3 dash xn into pn. Therefore mean of random variable which is denoted by mu equal to x1 p1 plus x2 p2 plus x3 p3 plus xn pn, and in general we can write this summation xi pi, where I equal to 1 to n. This is the mean of random variables. Since mean of random variables also known as mean of random variable also known as expectation of x and denoted by e of x. Thus we can write e of x, that means mean of random variable, will be equal to mu, because mu is also mean of random variable, and this will be equal to summation I equal to 1 to n xi into pi. In the numerical, we can find the mean of random variable in very easy way. First we find the random variables, then find the probability of corresponding random variables, and in the next row we should find the product of corresponding random variables and probability of random variables, and again adding the all product of random variable and corresponding probabilities. Then this will be your answer, and this is known as mean of random variables.